This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so in that predefined ledgers, two predefined ledgers we have in the tally prem, 28 groups and ledgers called as a accounting master. So in the tally prem we have 4 types of master: accounting master, statutory master, payroll master, and inventory master. Accounting master is nothing but groups and ledgers. Payroll master so here let's see in that payroll master, inventory master, accounting master, statutory master. Because statutory master means GST I didn't enable, that's why it's not going to display for us. It's okay. So then all these are the options we have in that. In that creation of masters is nothing but groups and ledgers. Accounting master is nothing but groups and ledgers. So if I want to create any groups, anything, already we have 28 predefined groups in the tally prem. Suppose if you want to create the, if it is required based on that company requirement, if they want to create, they can create any masters, they can create. Okay, next ledger creation. If I want to create the ledger, see, ledgers are maintained to keep a record of all the transaction of an accounting entity. Without ledger, it would be difficult to organize all the transactions and accounting entity options. In tally prem, tally has only two default ledgers we have in that. Tally has only two default ledgers, cash and profit and loss account. So whenever we are going to do the transactions, all these things, must and should we have to create the ledgers option. So we have to create. Here one more example they given for that ledger creation. If I want to create any ledgers, anything, go to gateway of tally, create option, under accounting master, select the ledger. So that means one ledger is the ledger. So under they created so owner's capital account under group, so that is a capital account. One more sky solution, that is the customer name under sundry debtors. These two options we called as a ledgers, these two options called as a groups. Under these groups we created a ledger. Groups and ledgers called as a chart of account. Okay, if I want to create the ledger, gateway of tally, create under accounting masters ledger we have to create. Example, how to create the ledgers. For example, open our company. I am going to open the company. In that gateway of tally, chart of account, click on that, enter. So here ledger option. If I want to create, if I want to see that ledger, total how many ledgers is there, it's going to display in the chart of account. Suppose if I want to create one more ledger, already we have in the tally two predefined ledger is there. One more ledger if you want to create a gateway of tally under master option. See here master, under master, click on that create option. If I click on that creator, see now select the ledger. Click on that, enter. Now for example I am going to create one bank. I am going to create bank account, SBI bank account. Enter. All banks comes under bank account only. See, this is we called as a ledger creation. See, it's one more time I will show you that. If I want to create a new ledger, gateway of tally, select the create option, press enter. Now see, select the ledger. Now we are going to create the ledger. No, select the ledger, enter. So now this screen is going to open. So ledger creation. So what is the ledger name? We have to type here. Example, SBI bank account. That is my ledger. If I want to create my ledger, we can. Or else here they given a sky solution is there. No, same option, so we can create. Ledger sky solution. Sky solution is my customer. So he is my customer. The company is my customer. Let me see that. I am going to create a sky solution. If you press enter, see now again alias means one more name. If you have that name for that customer, we can give that. So or else press enter. If you enter, see under this ledgers comes under because they are my customer. All customers comes under, see, list of ledgers, predefined ledgers. 28 predefined ledger also is going to open. So now Sky Solution is my customer. No, all customers comes under sentry debtors. That's why I'm going to select the sentry debtors options. Select the sentry debtors. This is under group. This is the groups option. If I select that, sundry debtors is one type of group. This groups means Sky Solution. This customers comes under sundry debtors. Sundry debtors consider as a group. Sky Solution consider as a ledger. Groups and ledgers we called as a accounting master or chart of account also. Press enter, enter, enter. Now I don't want to give anything. Later I will show what is a bill wise entry, all these things. Enter, enter, press accept this one. I'm going to accept this. Now see, escape now. Already saved. If you give the accept, that ledger has saved. New ledger, if you want to create, that new page is going to open. That's it. Now I don't want to create one more ledger. Escape the screen. Escape that. We created 3 ledgers. No, I want to see that how many ledgers we have in that. See, if I want to see that, we can go to alter also. Click on that alter. Select the ledger. See now 3 ledgers we have in that. Sky Solution also we created one of the ledger. Suppose actually this is not correct way. If I want to do any changes, any alteration, then only we have to go to alter. But I want to see that how many ledgers we have in that. So that's why go to chart of account. Click on that. Select the ledgers. If I click on that ledgers, see now it's going to display 3 ledgers we have. What are the 3 ledgers? See, under sundry debtors, Sky Solution we created. That is the one of the ledger option. It's going to display 28 predefined groups, but 3 ledgers we have. Under this sundry debtors, Sky Solution ledgers we created. Sky Solution is my customer. Like this we can see. Or else only the ledgers, if you want to see that, now, whenever we are going to open the chart of account, groups and ledgers, both also it's going to display for me. 28 groups and 3 ledgers, all this thing. But I don't want groups. Only the ledger, I want to see that. How many ledgers we created in our company. Only the ledgers, if you want to see that, escape, gateway of tally. Here, display more reports. Click on that, display more reports. In that, accounts book. Click on that accounts book. Here see, here ledger option is there. One more time I will show you that. Gateway of tally, display more reports, accounts book, so ledger. If I click on that, only the ledger is going to display. List of ledgers it's going to display for us. Here also option is there, we can create a list of ledgers also we can create. Here using these options we can create the ledgers also. Okay, so that is the option ledgers. And next next inventory master. What is that inventory master? So inventory master is nothing but stock items, stock groups, all these things we are going to create. No, that is we called as a inventory master. Inventory master, already accounting master means groups and ledgers called as a accounting master. Okay, inventory master means stock items. When we are going to maintain the stock item anything, so all these options it comes under inventory master, means stock group, stock categories, stock item, unit, godowns means if I want to store any product anything, we are going to maintain the godowns. No, some systems is going to display godown, some systems is going to display location. Okay, godowns, location, rack, warehouse, showrooms, all these are the same options only. Okay, so next heading you have to write it on inventory masters. Write the points inventory masters. So this main points, this one you have to write and underline this one. Note this point, these options. So I'm going to change the font color. Accounting master. So groups and ledgers understood. No, any doubt is there in that groups and ledgers? Not this point. Finished? Okay. See, for many companies, inventory is the largest item in the current assets category. Inventory problems can and do contribute to losses or even business failure, as called inventory control also. What is that inventory control means? Still, how many products we have to purchase, how many, some product we have perishable goods, non-perishable goods, all these things is there. Still, perishable goods, how many days we can store, which product we have to sell first, which product we can store still, all these details we have to maintain. That is we called as a inventory control. In that inventory, we have three category of inventory masters we have. In that three categories, nothing but one is raw materials, another one is work in process, third one is finished goods. So that means inventory master, three types we have in that. One is raw materials, work in process, second one work in process, third one finished goods. One is raw materials, so then second one is uh, work in process, third one finished goods. Like this we have three types of inventory masters we have in that. So three category of inventory masters means nothing but, here one is raw materials, another one is work in process, third one finished goods. So you have to note this point, ma'am. Inventory masters, three category of inventory master or three types of inventory master. One is raw materials, another one is work in process, third one is finished goods. Note that point. So raw material, work in process, third one is finished goods. So actually what is that raw materials, work in process and finished goods means? For example, raw materials includes materials intended to be consumed in the production of finished goods. Whenever we have to manufacture the product, so we have to purchase the raw materials. So that raw materials to manufacture the product, so we are to produce the finished goods. If I want to manufacture the product, so we need that raw materials, that is be called as the raw materials. Using that raw materials we are going to manufacture the product, means producing the product of that finished goods. Finished goods is nothing but ready for sale. Okay, so ready for sale. This type three category of inventory masters we have. One is raw materials, work in process, use then finished goods. Raw material means if I want to manufacture the product using the raw materials, we are going to use manufacturing. So that work in process, using the raw materials we are going to manufacture the product. After that, finished goods is nothing but ready for sales option. Done. Okay. Next, in that inventory master. So what is the stock group? In the inventory master, we have stock group. Stock group is nothing but type of goods. Which type of goods? For example, similar options. For example, laptop. That is a stock groups. So then laptops and mobile. Okay, so then laptop, mobiles, printer, all these things we consider a washing machine. So then all these are the stock groups we called. So if it is if you want to take any provisions, anything, rice item, oil, like this we can take, or else some of clothes also. So clothes, that is the stock group. Mobile, that is a stock group. Laptop, so then printer options, so then clothes, all these are comes under stock groups options only. Stock group is nothing but type of goods called as a stock group. You have to note this point. Type of goods called as a stock groups. Type of group. Finished. Type of goods called as a stock group. Stock group is nothing but type of goods. So this is the option. Next step. So example. So what is the example? Some of example they given: stock groups, computer, so then mobile. All these are the type of groups. Example: mobile, computer or laptop. Example I given, two examples. Type of goods is nothing but mobile and laptop. All these are the stock groups. So in that, see, stock groups means computer, mobiles, mobile phone. All these are considered as a stock group. Computer accessories, computer mobile. So all these options it will come. That means main group, computer, mobile phone. All these are the stock groups. Okay, so in that, next, stock group creation. Understood, Nama? This one, what is a stock group? Stock group is nothing but computer, that means mobile phone, laptops, so printer, so clothes, all these are comes under stock item only. Okay, next, how to create the stock group in our company. Already we created the company, we created ledgers also, and here how to create the stock groups. Inventory masters, stock groups is nothing but inventory masters. How to create the stock group option? If I want to create the stock group, so this is the path. Note that path. So that means get, if I want to create the stock group, gateway of tally, create a, under inventory master, select the stock group. See, they given, we can give the computer or laptop. All these are the stock groups. All these stock groups comes under primary only. That's the main group. Like this it's going to consider. Am I audible now, ma? Ananya, am I audible now, ma?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, okay. See now how to create the stock group creation. Stock group is nothing but inventory master. Then what is the accounting master? Means groups and ledgers called as a accounting master. Inventory master means stock group, stock categories, stock items, units, all these are the inventory master. In the stock group, how to create the stock group under inventory master? See, that's why go to gateway of tally, create option, inventory master. So then select the stock group. Example this one. Go to gateway of tally, create a, under inventory master stock group. Note this point map, that path. Okay, now see how to create the stock group in our company. So example, so in that, open our company, go to create option, click on that create option. If I click on that creator, enter, see now select the stock group under inventory master, select the stock group. Same path they given no here, gateway of tally, create a, under inventory master stock group. Then how to create, one more time I will show you that path. Gateway of tally, so under masters, click on that create, under inventory masters, select the inventory master, select a stock group option, click on that stock group. If I click on that stock group, see stock group creation option, so we got it. If I want to see the details, now stock group creation, we got this kind of option. Here I want to create a, what is my main group here, mobile. This is my stock group. Simultaneously you have to create, ma. Okay, name mobile, stock group is mobile, alias one more name if you have we can give. Under this the primary only, primary product, like this I am going to select because only primary product, primary option is there. So that is a main product, like this I am going to consider. That's why I am going to select the primary only. Enter. Now here, should quantity of item to be added? For example, in our go down already I have 20 mobile is there. If I purchase one more 10 product, you should add total quantity, it should display 30 like that. That's why should quantities of item to be added, we have to click on that S. After add the product, it should display total product, it should display. That's why here we have to give S option. See, one more time I will show you that. So go to gateway of tally, create under inventory master, select the stock group, mobile, that is my product stock group, enter. Under group is primary only, again press enter. Should quantity of items to be added, click on that S option, enter. Now it's going to accept. Click on that S, or else in the mouse also we can click S, or we can press the enter also, or else in the keyboard also we can press Y characters, Y letters we can. Click on that, it's created. It's saved, new page, it's open. One more laptop, created like that. Enter. Under is under group primary only, enter. Should quantities of items to be added, click on that S. Accept this one, accept. So two product we created. If you want computer also, I am going to create a computer. Under group primary, enter. Should quantities of items to be added, click on that S, accept this one. Understood? See, like this stock groups we created. After create the stock groups, we created the stock group. Under primary I given. After that, see, inventory master and the stock category. So what is the stock category? Stock category means we are classifying the product as a category wise, means size wise, color wise. So then technical wise, technology wise, we are behavior wise, we are going to divide that option. That is we called as a stock category. Example, in the laptop, business laptop. Actually, in the laptop, if you want to purchase any laptop, they are going to ask which kind of laptop you want, business laptop or gaming laptop, personal laptop, like this. So now business laptop means in the business laptop, they will going to consider the speed of internet speed, working fast. That is the only they are going to consider. Gaming laptop means graphic cards, we need sound effects, all the details we need. Personal laptop is nothing but only for our personal use. So like this we can use. So here in that category means we can technical wise we can divide, color wise, size wise, all these things we can. Computer means suppose if I want to purchase any televisions, anything, 32-inch television, 42-inch, like this, that is be called as a category. Computer or laptop, so technical laptop, sorry, business laptop, gaming laptop, personal laptop, like this we are going to consider. Color wise, size wise, the technical wise, we are going to divide, no, that is be called as a stock category. For mobile, 16 GB, 28 GB, 36, 32 GB, 128 GB, like this we are going to consider. So that is be called as a stock category. Okay, so stock category offers a, see here they given, like stock groups, classification is done based on similarity in behavior or nature. Example, size wise we are going to we are going to consider as the size wise, color wise, technical wise, we are going to consider. All these are the stock categories. We are going to classifying in that. Okay, that is we called as a stock category. If I want to create the stock category, what we have to do? Some of categories they given only for mobile, they given 64 GB storage, 32 GB storage capacity, 128 GB storage, 16 GB storage, like this we can classifying that. That is we called as a stock category. Now, if I want to create the stock category options, where we have to go? This is the path. Gateway of Tally. So in that, create under inventory master stock category. They given, see, for mobile phone 64 GB storage, 32 GB storage. That is the categories. And here for laptop, gaming laptop, business laptop, personal laptop, like this we can give that options also. All these are considered as a categories. This is the stock group. Already we created the stock group. If I want to create the stock category option, so again go to same path, gateway of Tally, create a under inventory master, select the stock category option. So then we have to create the stock categories. Now I am going to create no stock category. Simultaneously, you also create. Okay. So now how to create the stock category? In that, gateway of Tally, create option, under inventory master, select the stock category. Select the stock category. Now stock category creation we got. Okay, so for mobile we create for mobile 32 GB storage. Enter. Under primary only I taken. Enter. Enter. Then 64 GB storage. Under primary only, select this one. Next, for laptop also we create business laptop. Business laptop, under to primary only, accept this one. Accept. Next, gaming laptop. Under primary, I selected. Okay. Two. Next, what we created? Technical laptop. Okay, not the personal laptop. Like this I selected. Okay. So select all these options. So this is we called as a stock category. Now after the stock category, next we created the stock category also. Everyone created, ma? Everyone created or not? Stock groups and stock categories, inventory masters. Next, inventory master, unit of measures. So then what is that unit of measures? That means stock items are purchased and sold based on that quantity. Note this point. Stock items are purchased and sold based on that quantity. 1 second. Am I audible, no, ma? Kaveshri, am I audible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now units of measure. That means stock items are purchased and sold based on quantity. So this point you have to write and underline this one. So heading units of measures. Whenever we are going to selling any product, selling or purchasing the product, and then based on that quantity only we are selling and we are purchasing the product. The quantity is measured by units. Okay, so that's why in tally such goods are quantified using units of measures. In that measures also we have two types of measures. One is simple unit, another one is compound unit. In that two types of measures means quantities we have, measurement means two types of measures, units of measures, one is simple unit, another one is compound units. Note this point, and this one also you have to. All these are important only. Then ma, units of measure, these points you have to write. Say this one and this one. Two types of units of measures we have, two types. One is simple unit, another one is compound unit. You have to write what is that simple unit and compound unit, I will tell. Okay. Done. Okay, now we have to create the inventory mass, means unit of measures. How to create the unit of measures? Example, see, that is the path. If I want to create the units of measure, same options only. Go to gateway of tally, create option, under inventory master, select the unit in that numbers boxes like this. For example, I am selling the product laptop, that's the numbers wise we are going to sell. Mobile number wise. If it is a cloth accessories, that's the pieces wise we are going to sell the product. If it's a tablets box wise, some product we are going to sell bundle wise, like this. All these are, you suppose if it is a oils, all these things liter wise we are going to sell. Egg, all these things dozen, some of product dozen wise we are going to sell. And in that some of products provisions, all this in kg wise we are going to sell all these options, kgs. So then liter, number, pieces, bundles, packs. So then number wise, all these are considered as a measures only. Whenever we are going to sell the product, one number, one pieces, like this we are going to sell. No? Suppose if it is a oil, sun pure oil, all these things. If it is a oil, liter wise we are going to sell. So, or else other product we are going to sell, kg wise we are going to sell. Some products we are going to sell dozen wise, number wise, pieces wise, bundle wise, pack wise. All these are options called as a units of measures. Okay, if I want to create the units of measures, gateway of tally, create, under inventory master, select the unit option. Under inventory master, select the unit. Example, see now gateway of tally, select the create option. Under inventory master, select the units. If I click on that unit, select the unit, see it's going to ask unit creation. So in that simple unit, this is actually in the units of measures we have two types of measures, right? One is simple unit, another one is compound unit. Whatever now we are going to create, this is called as a simple unit. So simple unit is going to display, see, simple unit. So in the symbol I am going to select numbers. That's a short form I given. Press enter. Formal name is nothing but, so there's a full form we have to give, that's it, number, like this we have to give. Okay, for every unit creation, sum of UQC means unit quantity code. Unit quantity code we have, press enter option. See how many unit UQC is there, list of unit quantity code it's going to display. All these are the code, that means unit quantity codes. Numbers means I selected number, no, that numbers also we have in this particular list, we have in that. If I type number, say number, NOS is nothing but that's the numbers we have to select. Sometimes whenever we are going to take the tax invoice, whenever we are going to applying the GST, all these things, if you didn't give unit quantity code, that means UQC options, it will not, sometimes it will not come. So must and should we have to give these options. So under simple unit, I created numbers, number for UQC code I given, numbers, these options I selected. See, one more time I will show you that. Escape, gateway of tally, click on that create, select the under inventory master, select the unit option, click on that unit. This is in the simple unit only. So numbers, this is my numbers. The full name we are going to give, that's it. Numbers, UQC code, same options. If you type NOS, automatically it's going to highlight for us. Select these numbers, accept this one. That's it. So like this we have to create. Okay. Yeah. Understood my any doubts, any confusions, anything is there?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, will you share the recorded video?
Yeah, yes, ma. We will share. Okay. Yeah. Next session, tomorrow we have class, no, ma? Yeah, tomorrow we have class. Tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Okay.